Hello everyone. It's been a while since I last uploaded on my YouTube channel. So I was going through this library called AGGrid. It is a front-end library which is designed to handle complex data in form of table, and it is available for Vue, React, maybe some other JavaScript libraries as well. I was on a job hunt recently, and for some of the front end interviews, I was asked this question: have you used this AG library? And I was completely blank because I hadn't used it previously. There were some alternatives which I had used, okay, but I just wanted to experiment with this library because it was asked in multiple interviews to me. So. Um, so yeah, as a result, I created this Dinosaurs application, which basically lists out some of the dinosaurs. Okay. The API which I used for this application is a portal called SoftGenie. This is my own portal which has a lot of APIs. So feel free to check it out. It has also APIs for games, movies, items. So in case you need some dummy data to populate your front-end application, feel free to use some of those endpoints. Okay, so coming back to the discussion of AGGrid, it is full of features. If you click on a particular column, let's say on lived in, so it will sort it out, sort the contents of the table based on the values of this particular column. As you can see, all the dinosaurs which were found in Argentina are listed at the top alphabetically. Okay, so it also has filtering. If I click on this filter here, and if I filter out all the dinosaurs which were found in USA, it would only show those results. And I'm sure there are quite a few dinosaurs found in USA, including the famous Tyrannosaurus X or Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, so and if you talk about other technologies which I used in building this application, I have used Tailwind CSS for UI. I have used inbuilt animation using transition, again without using any additional libraries. So without further delay, let's just dive into the source code. So this is the source code. I would just go on this dinosaurs page, because this is where most of the interesting things are happening. I would just go through the imports which I did. So AGGrid has two versions. One is community version, which is free and has limited features. The other one is enterprise edition and has some additional features, and of course it is paid, but for my use case, community edition was more than enough, so I just used it. And I'll just go through the imports which I did. So this is nothing but a CSS styling import, which is responsible for the table styles which you see here. Okay, and this is interesting. This is the core module which is responsible for sorting and filtering behind the scenes for this table. Okay, this AGGrid, if I go to the documentation which I have opened on another tab, it is split into multiple modules, and this is modules which is responsible for core features of this library. So feel free to look into some of these modules. I think for my use case, this client side row module was enough, so I imported it, and inside this modules I have it as a reactive or reference using ref. Okay, so yeah, that is responsible for powering the core features of this table. This is the AGGrid component, which is specifically designed for Vue, and this has been imported from this file, AGGrid community edition and from Vue 3. And here it is self-explanatory, I guess. It's just the columns which I have defined. This is column defs, and these two are some of the additional settings which are not necessary but good to have. Here using this you can also control the height of the row. If I change it to 30 and now see how it looks like, so you can see it has been shrink a little bit. And so that is all, I guess, for this application. And I also have this I think I already covered it. You can see this slide and cool animation. This I achieved using transitions in Vue JS, and this is the code for it. This transition name is slide left, and we have few CSS styles to complement it, which I have defined inside this style tag. So yeah, those were the things I wanted to discuss regarding this project. I would have the link of this project inside the description box. So if you want to take clone of it, want to do some experiments on it, please feel free to do so. If you like this project, give it a star on GitHub. It really helps a lot. And if you like my content, please consider subscribing. I would be uploading some more full stack stuff related to front end, back end, maybe some DevOps as well in future. So look forward to it, and thanks for all the support. Thanks a lot, and have a nice day or night, depending on whatever time you are watching this video. See you in the next video.